What's going on, guys? But another interesting night, man. 24,213. We dropped all the way down to 23,500. Today gonna be Bloody Monday. Another Bloody Monday today. What do we gotta check out here, man? Let's get a little fingers down my spine going. Cheer up, guys. Cheer up. Cheer up. Cheer up. Cheer up. We knew this was a possibility. We've been talking. If you guys have been watching my channel for I don't even know how long. We're talking about this as a possibility. All right? Let's get it. How do you guys think Michael Saylor's feeling today? How do you think Michael Saylor's feeling today, man? Michael, if you guys think you're down bad, imagine Michael Saylor, all right? Let's stay positive here, all right? So what's going on, guys? What's going on? Bitcoin, another day, another drop, all right? But these are the opportunities we're looking for, man. We're getting awfully close to that 200-week moving average, all right? What is the plan going forward? Let's check it out, man. Let's check it out. I'm a buyer with my $2 order. Hey, $2 is $2, man. It is what it is. What's going on, Dan? What's up, Mike? Lloyd, what's going on, man? BTC rubbed my spine. I think BTC like cracked your spine at this point, man. I think it's cracked your spine. All right, let's watch some charts, man. It's probably another stream where we just kind of watch the charts because, quite honestly, I mean, man, the market's stumping here. So we're gonna jump on into it. Not wasting any time today. All right. We're not wasting any time today. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Let's jump on in here, man. Fingers down my spine. We got the sleeveless hoodie rocking today. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's going on? What's going on, everyone?
Nope. Strap up. We're going to the moon.
I didn't press that, I swear. I don't know if we're strapping up and going to the moon. What's going on, man? 24,110. You know, guys, I want to first say, I know there's going to be a lot of doom and gloom today. There's going to be a lot of negativity. There's going to be a lot of trolls. There's going to be a lot of everything, all right? Ignore that stuff, all right? Ignore that stuff. It is what it is. We knew this was a possibility, and we knew that if we got down to these ranges, there was going to be a lot of negativity. There was going to be a lot of FUD. There's going to be a lot I don't even necessarily call it FUD, man. Because quite honestly, FUD is FUD, but I mean, in reality, we're sitting in here in reality at 24,126. At this point, it's not FUD, right? At this point, we're down here. What can we do, right? We're getting, man, if we take a look quickly at the weekly chart, man, we are getting awfully close to that 200-week moving average, sitting right there, down there, awfully close, right at 22,373. We actually went to 22,500. So we got about $1,000 away from that 200 moving average, man. We are coming back down to test that like freaking butter. All right. The question is, will it hold? All right. Will it freaking hold? Guys say the mic sounds odd today. I don't know. Let me know, man. Let me know if the mic sounds odd today. I hope it doesn't. Hope we're good there. But, yeah, man. Let's see what happens here. But, man, coming down to that 200-week moving average, that's what we've been talking about, man. It's what we've been talking about forever, right? We broke down from this bear flag. We talked about the target, both the targets for both of these bear flags. The big bear flag was down to 23K. The target for this one was down to 23K. All right, so we're going back down into our green box, our green vector box of the daily chart. Just remember, guys, keep your eye on the prize. Let's see what happens today. Like we said last week, guys, I know, everyone's thinking the stock market's going to dump today. Just be prepared for some wonky price action. We do have a gap up here, back up here on the NASDAQ, and a gap on the S&P coming up back up here. So I wouldn't be surprised if those get filled at some point before we continue down. And maybe that keeps up Bitcoin temporarily before we dump. But, man, how's everyone feeling today, by the way? How's everyone feeling? I put a poll in the chat. How are you feeling today? 62% said happy for the opportunity. That's good to see. That means a lot of people are, feeling somewhat positive about this dump, right? Because I think what's different about this time versus a lot of other times where Bitcoin's been in a bear market or Bitcoin's kind of had big sell-offs, I think what's different this time is a lot of people were expecting it, right? A lot of the other times when Bitcoin's in a bear market, it's like during a typical bull market for the macro, right? Right now we're in a kind of a bear market for the macro. So I think what's different this time is a lot of people are expecting downside, right? So it doesn't maybe make it as bad. 21% said stick in the stomach, 10% said mad at the world, and 6% said other tell the chat. Okay, you got to put it in the chat, man. You got to put it in the chat. So 64% said happy for the opportunity. That's good to see, right? That's good to see. Means a lot of people are ready to rock and roll. And I'll tell you guys, I keep saying, the decisions you make as the Bitcoin price goes down, right? The decisions you make as Bitcoin goes down are going, I'm telling you, within the next month, are going to be some of the most important decisions you make financially for the rest of your life. I'm telling you, the decisions that you make, whether you buy now or you wait and buy lower, I'm not going to tell you guys what to do. I don't know where the bottom's going to be. No one knows where the bottom's going to be. But I'm telling you, if you time what you're doing correctly and you make the decisions and trust your gut, man, trust your gut. I made a thread on Twitter today about things that I've learned about myself in the past year and what I want to change and things that I should have realized and I made mistakes of. Make sure you guys trust your gut, right? Don't listen to anyone that tell you guys to buy now, tell you guys to wait to 15K, 10K. You guys trust your gut because your gut is usually going to be correct, all right? Your gut instinct is going to be correct. If your gut instinct is telling you to wait and not buy now, wait and not buy now. If your gut instinct is telling you, buy now, right? Trust your gut instinct, but don't let it be based off fear. Don't let it be based off greed. Make sure your gut instinct is coming from a logical place and not an emotional place. You know what I'm saying? Jordan, prepare the socks. The socks are getting ready, my man. The socks are getting ready. Holy moly, man. Now's the time for 3 income. What's going on, Dan? Thank you, man. Thanks for hanging out. We're just going to hang out today. 24,200. All right, so let's check out some short-term charts here on the short term, guys. What can we expect in the short term? Is Bitcoin going to make any little bit of a rally to the upside? Let's stick to the 15-minute chart here, guys. Let's go to the 15-minute chart. I will say about the 15-minute chart is we tried to pump back up to the upside a little bit here. We're still really nowhere, man. If you look at, say, the 15-minute, I mean, we really didn't make any ground. All we did is pump back up, make a yellow vector candle, which we would expect at some point if we follow Tino's philosophy. Shout out to my guy Tino, absolute stud. I'll be over in his Patreon today. We move to the upside. We would expect at some point for this to come back down and get filled. All right. So the case for the bulls, we know that Bitcoin always does W reversals. It's never going to do a V-shaped bottom. All right. If you don't believe it, go back in the charts. Right. So you had that first hit to the downside. You have a yellow vector candle now, which usually means it's going to come back down at some point. And maybe it continues up higher before coming back down, but you would expect it to come back down at some point. Right. You got that move to the upside, whether it continues up to the 50 EMA first or comes back down now. That's the question. But at some point, the case for the bulls is at some point to create some type of double bottom or W reversal. Right now, we haven't got it yet. Let's kind of wait and see what happens. But That's the case for the bulls. Like we said, we could get a move to the 50 EMA first and then pull back, but I expect Bitcoin to probably come back down and take these lows once again at some point. Is it going to happen now? I don't freaking know, man. It's like trying to predict where an apple's going to land after it falls from a tree, right? That's kind of what you're looking at this point. Yeah, try to predict where bananas are going to fall on the ground, right, after it falls. Because the apple's going to fall on the ground. It's going to roll wherever the frick it wants to roll, right? That's kind of what you're trying to do at the current moment, right? So keep that in mind. You're a superstar, man. Hey, listen, man. I'm not anyone. I'm just a guy who likes to come up here and talk to you guys about the charts. All right. I've made many mistakes. I've made many wrong calls on this channel, right? But I think right now the important thing is not to blame anyone else. Okay. Blame yourself for all the wrong things that you did, right? If you listen to someone else, guess what? Yeah, that's on you. That's on you. That's not on anyone else. That's on you. All right. I'm gonna take responsibility for everything that I've done. All right, and I'm gonna learn. All right, I'm gonna learn, and guess what? I won't be making those same mistakes next time. All right, won't be making those same mistakes that I did last time. And quite honestly, I'm excited. Like I said, guys, I am excited for what's to come because what did we talk about last night? Right? This is kind of what we're waiting for short term. Until then, man, this could keep falling here, guys. I'm gonna be honestly. Why am I excited about what's to come? Well, we know on the hash ribbons indicator, we got the capitulation flash, all right? That is always the first step before Bitcoin, before you want to see a rally for BTC. We got that capitulation flash, right? And what do we say? When you get the capitulation flash, a capitulation in a bear market is probably on its way, all right? We sort of said that yesterday. In March of 2020, we got the capitulation flash. You had a massive dump, right? 2018, you had the capitulation flash. You had a massive dump. But what came shortly after? Well, the buy signal came on the hash ribbons indicator, which pushes you back up to the upside. Guys, we've talked about this before, and it's something I should have trusted in my gut as well, right? You got to trust your gut, man. You do. Every Bitcoin rally and every Bitcoin major macro low starts with people absolutely capitulating, man. Absolute annihilation in the markets. And that's what I think we're seeing right now. Now, it might not be over, okay? It might not be over. So that's why I'm not calling a bottom at the current moment. But you need this. In my opinion, you need these type of events if you want to continue back up to the upside. And we're getting that as we freaking speak, right? We're getting that big, just really big move to the upside. I mean, this whole move for this 48K has really been a giant capitulation event, right? So we got that flash. Now, right, if you wanted to, I mean, the best thing to do is you wait for the buy indicator, right? So for everyone who doesn't want to buy now, you want to wait for some type of confirmation, you can wait for the buy indicator to pop up on the hash ribbons. Every time the buy indicator has popped up on the hash ribbons has been some of the best possible times you could have bought in crypto in the history, all right? So, you know, for everyone that doesn't want to buy now and wants to wait, that could be something you take a look at, right? Because not everyone's ready to buy, right? Why else am I excited? Well, the monthly chart, the RSI is the lowest. Officially, guys, the RSI, we got to wait for the close, but the RSI is officially the lowest that it's ever been. Now, it obviously has been lower because you've had wicks and you kind of retrace on the closes, right? But as it stands right now, the monthly RSI in Bitcoin is the lowest it's ever been, right? And the weekly RSI is also, as it stands right now, the weekly RSI is, I believe, right at the lowest it's ever been, the same as 2014, all right? And not only that, but we're awfully freaking close to that 200 SMA. So everything's kind of coming together here, showing me that I do think that, in my opinion, I do think I don't think we're at the bottom yet, but I think we're relatively close to the bottom, all right? Doesn't mean we can't get some huge wick down to the low 20Ks. Doesn't mean we can't get some huge wick below 20K. If it happens, I'll eat the damn sock. But as far as a weekly close, I don't think we get a weekly close below the 200 SMA. Do we get a wick below? I hope not, because I don't want to eat the damn sock, man. But let's see what happens. Let's see what happens, man. If I gotta eat the sock, I gotta eat the sock. It is what it is. GG. All right, so let's go back to BTC. This is just starting. Let's see. Let's see. Hopefully it don't finish that Bart pattern. The Bart pattern. Let's see. Let's see. Eric Crone called it. I think every person besides George called this dumb. So let's not act like anyone was a genius for calling this dumb. This was the most obvious thing in the history of Bitcoin. I think every single person thought Bitcoin was going to go lower here. So let's not call anyone geniuses. But yeah, so that's kind of that. Man, I mean, it's really just a wait and see. Like Ethereum, guys. Ethereum getting down to 1,240. So Ethereum coming down. Man, Ethereum just smashed through its previous all-time high. 1,244 Captain Ethereum. Let's try to see real quick, guys. Let's zoom out a little for ETH. I'm curious if it has any Fibonacci levels. Not like they're gonna really matter, I guess, but for any type of support, let's check it out. So let's go back to here. Let's take a fib. See if we have anything, because the 786 fib might be coming up relatively shortly, which is absolutely crazy, man. The 786 retracement. So the 786 retracement right now for ETH is sitting at right about 1100. Right about 1100 there for Ethereum. So right here. Bop. So right about 1100 is the 786 Fibonacci level. Could be the next level we go to. I mean, assuming that Bitcoin goes lower, that's probably the level I look at for Ethereum there. Is 1100. Absolute craziness. Absolute craziness. So let's keep watching it. Let's keep the eye on the prize. But, man, ETH is coming down hot and heavy. Hot and heavy. She's pissed right now. She's pissed. What's going on, Jumper DCS? What if it's the market makers watching that want to see you eat a sock? Job is rich now. Jabba's still sleeping. Jabba had a long night, man. He's made a lot of money in the last 6 months. So Jabba never has to work again. You know, hopefully at some point we can liquidate him, but right now he never has to work again, man. Where can I long DXY with 100x leverage? That's very true. That's very true. George static porch video. Yeah, man. That's usually what you get. That's usually what you get. All right, so we got that. We're waiting for the market open here. We said we got a gap up for the stock market. So if Bitcoin gets a little rally at some point early this week, I wouldn't be surprised. Just because I can see the stock market's bouncing back up. But it doesn't necessarily mean Bitcoin has to bounce back up. We saw last week the stock market's dumping, Bitcoin kind of holding up, and then Bitcoin dumped this weekend. So we'll find out. DXY, oh, Lord, man. The case for the bulls, all right? This is the case for the bulls, man. You want to see the DXY create the M formation at the top of the range, all right? You want to see that. You know, you don't want to see that break to the upside. If you do, guess what, man? Guess what is coming if the DXY breaks, all right? Let's bring out our favorite guy here. Mom, where can I long? George, where do I long the DXY? Where do I long the DXY? Wow, look at the DXY. I want to long that. George, where do I long the DXY? Oh, okay. On Bybit? Okay, let me use Carl's link. There we go. Wow, wow. You're gonna have all the moon boys looking at long the DXY somehow, even though they probably think it's a coin. Right? All the noobs probably think that the DXY is a crypto at this point because everyone talks about it so much. But yeah, DXY coming up. I mean, the case for the bulls, like we said, man, it is sort of rejection here at 104.98. If that breaks, man, it's not looking too good. It's not looking too good, man. If we're going to be honest here, you know? Comic relief is good? Hey, of course it is, man. Of course it is. You can't change what already happened, all right? You can't change what already happened. All you can do is learn from what already happened, right? That's it. In reality, that's all you can do. What's the point on dwelling on things that already happened? Think about it. Think about it from a deep sense, right? If we want to get deep here. What's the point of you dwelling on something that already happened and went wrong? What's that going to do for you? All it's going to do is make you in a worse mood. Now, take it in, accept it, all right, and move on from it and learn from it, all right? Learn from your mistakes. All right, so what else we got? So what was I going to look at, man? Shiza. Oh, the tether dominance. This ain't good for, this ain't good. This ain't good. This ain't good right here. This ain't good. Hold up. Hold up. Pump it. We said if tether dominance broke this high, that wasn't going to be good. What did the tether dominance do? Well, there it goes, man. So, we're going to hope this turns into a wick at some point. But, yeah, tether dominance, people moving money into stable coins like freaking banshees here. And, yeah, we're breaking that, we're breaking this channel that's been working out all the way since 2018. We're finally breaking that channel, man, where the top is called every bottom for Bitcoin, the bottom is called every top for Bitcoin. And there it goes. Breaking out of it. So, take it for what you will, but there we go. There we go, man. This is what it is. Let's do it one more time for this. It's kind of peaceful to listen to this in the morning. Come on. Nope, we can't. We can't do it. DXY broke uptrend. Broke uptrend? What you talking about, bro? What you talking about? Please, Victor, bring it down. No. Are we burning in hell right now? Might be burning in hell. No, I'm just kidding. These are good times. These are good times. You don't realize it now, but you will. You will. Trust me. 27,978. Still waiting for... I mean, ultimately, guys, I'm still waiting for the touch of the 200 SMA. I mean, we can talk about everything we want to do. We can talk about little relief rallies to the upside. I still think we're coming back down here, at the very, very least. I don't see a reason why it won't. Okay? At this point. Look left. There's no support here on the weekly. Zero support. There's literally zero support. Right? Why would it stop here? To be quite frank, and you have a vector candle all the way back down to 19,200. Okay? If we're going to be frank here. There's nothing here. So, I don't see any reason why Bitcoin stops at this current level where it's at now. I see no reason for it. But, time will tell. Time will tell. DXY and 15-minute Jordan double top vectors. DXY in the 15-minute time frame. We're getting deep and dirty here. We're looking for some hopium. Holy moly. No double top, no vector. I don't know. I don't think so, man. I don't think so, man. If we're gonna be honest. It's Joe's fault. It's all Joe's fault. What's going on, Drew? Good to see you, man. Drew showing the likes for me. I appreciate you guys that. I appreciate you guys showing the likes for me, man. Because I hate shilling likes. Really hate shilling anything, but I especially hate shilling likes. It's kind of unfortunate that YouTube, like, the way you get pushed out is that people like the video. It's a really stupid system in my opinion. But I appreciate you guys, showing the likes for me in the chat. At some point, I hate doing it. It gets tiring. All right, so. Yeah, now we wait, man. Now we freaking wait. 23,965. Let's see. Short the like button. Seth, you wouldn't do that to me, man. You wouldn't do that to me. Come on. We're all chilling here. We're all chilling. Trey's Reality was loving you talking about the hybrid. Yeah, it's a great system, man. I'll be over there today. I'll be chatting in the comments section over on Tino's Discord today. Good that we passed the 66.6K sub count. Yeah, that was the evil. When that happened, that was the sign that Bitcoin dumped. I think that was 2 days ago that we were at 66,666. That was 2 days ago. Since then, it's been absolute carnage. Since then, it's been 2 days of 15% drop. So, there you go. There you go. How is White Castle stock? Oh, we're getting White Castle tonight. I am relatively upset about it. I don't want to eat White Castle tonight. I don't. I ate chips last night. I ate chips in depression. I'm just kidding. I ate chips because I was feeling chips. I had a nice bag of salt and vinegar chips. It was delicious. It was absolutely delicious. Absolutely delicious. Let's see. I'm sticking to my plan, even if it's very difficult to not FOMO in at these prices. Stick to your plan, man. If your plan's not to buy right now, if your plan is to wait, wait. If your plan is to buy right now, buy right now. I'm not going to tell you guys what to do. You guys should have been making a plan up here and sticking to that plan. Do not let the red candles influence your plan, okay? Because when you see red candles, you're going to be thinking in a fearful state. You're not going to be thinking in a logical state, all right? You're not going to think in a logical state. Because when it was up here, it was boring. You weren't letting fear and you weren't letting greed dictate your decisions, right? You were thinking, all right, I'm going to buy at the 200 SMA. Why? Because the market's boring and I can think logically. Now, when the market's dumping, I bet no one wants to buy at the 200 SMA. That's always how it works. You know what I mean? So, stick to your plan, whatever your plan was up here. All right? Don't let red candles dictate. Because quite honestly, like, if you guys have been watching my channel, this is what I expected to happen, right? And this is what we talked about. So we should have had some idea and some understanding that this was a possibility, right? So, in all honesty, we shouldn't be too fearful because I expected this to happen at some point, you know? So, yeah, it sucks. It sucks when it's happening. It's not fun. No one wants to sit here and see the price go down. But it's better when you kind of expected it to happen, you know? I'm going to buy the ass out of the 200-week SMA. You're going to buy the ass out of it? That sounds pretty weird, man. That sounds pretty bad. That's like something Bob would do. Oh, I don't want to wake up, but I have to. It's time to DCA. Shit, it's too early to DCA. Let me look at this. Oh my God. What the hell happened last night? My God, what the frick? Mom! The price is dumped! Bob, shut the hell up. I'm trying to sleep. I don't give a shit about crypto. All my idiot kids care about crypto. You guys are idiots right now. Cash is king. Cash is freaking king. Let me get my beauty sleep. Just man. I'm gonna buy the ass out of this. Yeah, I'm gonna buy the ass out of this. Yeah. The fart never gets old, man. Bob just farts out of nowhere. All right. Let's go back down here. 23,859. Let's go back to BTC. Like we said, guys, bullish case. I don't necessarily see this happening, but for the bulls out there, because I know there's a lot of my bull friends out there at the current moment. At the end of the day, I'm still a bull too. It's just that short term, I can't really be bullish. But, yeah, I mean, move down, move back up. The case for the bulls, you get the W formation forming here. The case for the bears, you come back down, you break the wick low, right? Very simple stuff. Very simple. We're not talking anything crazy here, okay? We're not looking at symmetrical triangles, because all that bullshit doesn't matter right now. We're not looking at symmetrical triangles, wedge formations. None of that shit freaking matters right now, man. Bitcoin's going to do what it wants to do. The market maker is going to move the way that they want to move. And that's sort of the deal right now, man. That's the deal during these times, because people like to capitulate. You know what I'm saying? Wayne said I don't leverage. I'm talking spot only for my hodl bag. There you go, man. That's what I'm talking about. Tron depeg. This is a going out of sale business. Hey, man, that's what we said. A lot of shit coins are gonna get wrecked. A lot of shit coins are gonna get wrecked. We've already seen Luna. Tron's probably next. A lot of shit coins are gonna get wrecked. You a funny guy. I subbed on that first sketch. I'll be hanging around here more often. Yeah, we're hanging out having fun, man. Listen, we have a lot more fun in the night streams. And quite honestly, in the morning, I'm usually still waking up. Like right now, I'm still half asleep. You know what I'm saying? So I'm a little bit less animated in the morning. But we have a lot of fun in the night streams, man. Our night streams are lit. Absolutely lit. The morning, we're just chilling. We're watching the markets. That's kind of the basis of what it is. Because I can't go nuts for 2 streams a day, man. I can't go nuts. All right, I'm gonna start turning into the horse guy. All right, I'm gonna be looking at the charts and I'm gonna start going like this. Look at this chart, man. No, oh no, no! Here he comes. Yes, yes, I'm the horse guy. I'm FOMOing it. Yes. What? I'm DCA. George told me to DCA. He told me to DCA. Yeah, I'm gonna DCA right now. I'm gonna DCA. Yeah. What? Yes, we just got confirmation. Jordan just turned into his alter personality. Yes, he turned into the horse guy, and he just DCA'd. You know what to do. Jordan thinks the bottom is in, and he's the horse guy. You know what to do. Dump it. This is manipulation! George! George! You told me to buy Luna! You told me to buy Celsius! George! This is manipulation! Jordan! You told me to buy the 200 SMA! No! This is fun! This is Wellness Games! Oh, Lord, man. All you can do is have fun during these times. All you can do is have fun with these times, all right? Rest in peace, Boggs. I feel a feeling that someone is trying to destroy the market enough before regulation talks. Probably, man. Probably. Who knows? Who knows? All right. Anyways, 23,770. I'm a new sub and I already love your channel. Thank you, man. Thanks for hanging out. It's all, like we said, guys. It's always manipulation to the downside. It's never manipulation to the upside. So don't be an idiot. I'm gonna be honest, man.
Rant alert.
Don't be a moon boy, okay? Don't be a moon boy and say this is manipulation, okay? Seriously. Seriously. Don't be a moon boy and say this is manipulation. This is not manipulation. This is totally organic price action, okay? I can't take... This is manipulation! Whalish games! It's manipulation when the price goes up, too. Who moves the market up? The same idiots that... I'm not going to say idiots. Who moves the market up? The same whales that move the price down. It's manipulate. Every price action is manipulation. Whether you move $1 or $1,000, it's manipulation. Every single move in the market is manipulation. I cannot stand. It's manipulation. When you move up, it's manipulation too. It's so dumb. I can't. I can't, man. It's like the market moves up. Institutions. Countries. Market moves down. Manipulation. So dumb, man.
Rant alert.
I can't. The longer I'm in this market, the more I realize just the complete idiots in this space. And listen, I'm not perfect either, right? I used to be that guy, all right? But I've learned a lot lately. And there's a lot of just idiotic statements in this space, man. That's all I'll say. All right, hold on here. This is Whale Games. True. Unironically facts. It's true. It's gold, but I'm just being honest, man. I'm just being honest. Like, I hear this stupid thing, man. All right, here we go. Not saying manipulation. Listen, everything's manipulated. I had to go off right there. I had to go off. That's one of my least favorite things in the world. Market moves sideways. It's the crabs. It's the crabs. The crabs. The crabs manipulating the market. Oh, Lord. All right. So let's watch Bitcoin. Bitcoin coming back down. Let's see if it can have this any type of sign of W reversal to the upside, man. Listen, this is some hopium stuff. Am I confident on this playing out? Not really. I mean, if you look left, guys, there's not a huge reason for Bitcoin to come back up right now, right? All these vector candles looking left have all been taken, right? This yellow one just got taken. This yellow one taken, right? Taken. White one taken already, right? This one you wicked up, took it already. This one took it already, right? The only one that really, I mean, everyone's been. I mean, there's one at like 27K. Do I see Bitcoin bouncing back to 27K right now? Probably not. I don't see. I mean, yes, the longer term time frames, right, have gotten crushed, and then maybe there's a reason to come back up on the longer term time frames. But these shorter term time frames, I don't see a reason for Bitcoin to come back up right now. This is a little bit of bullish hopium, man. This is a little bit of bullish hopium. Michael said crab games. True. Guys, I'm telling you, red box short squeeze. Is that where the crypto market's coming to? We're going to try to invest in red box. That's funny, man. That's really, really funny. All right, let me end this poll. So how are you feeling right now? 64% said happy for the opportunity. You guys should be happy for the opportunity, man. Right? Because here's quite frankly, man. Most of everyone in the chat, including myself, has gotten in crypto at a top. Okay, most people, and if not the top, probably the latter 25% of a bull market. Okay, maybe it's not the exact top, but at least like the latter 25% of a bull market. Not many people in here have experienced a bear market. Okay, not many people in here have experienced. I mean, even since last year, there's a lot of new people that weren't even in the space in like May, June of last year when Bitcoin dropped a lot, right? Not a lot of people. So these are really the times where, like, if you can time it correctly, right? It all comes down to timing it correctly. But if you can time it correctly and have some patience and wait it out, these are the times that are really going to reward you in the future, man. It's not when Shiba Inu, Dogecoin are already up 100x. You know, that's not the time, because most of the time you're going to buy, right? Maybe it goes up a little bit, but guess what? You're going to be greedy and you're not going to sell, right? Everyone always has this thing, oh, I'm going to get in during a bull market and I'm going to make so much money. It's not that easy, because here's the question. Yes, you might buy in a bull market, and yes, the price goes up, but you'll be too greedy to sell because you'll always want more money. And guess what? It'll drop. You'll say, oh, we're in a bull market. It'll go back up. It'll drop more. Oh, we're in a bull market. It'll go back up until it gets below your buy price, and then you'll be in a loss. Okay? That's how it works every single time. I probably described something that happened to all of us, including myself. Okay? So these are the times where you got to pay attention to the market. You want it. Stick to your plan. Okay? Everyone has a different plan, but these are the times that'll play out, man. These are the times that'll pay off in the future. That's all I got to say. I got it at the very end of 2020, but got wrecked in 2021. True. Great rant, sir. It's true. It's true. It's very easy to say, hop in during a bull market and say, I'm going to make so much money. And everyone probably had unrealized gains, right? Everyone at some point probably had unrealized gains. But guess what? You were too greedy to sell. Same thing with me, right? I was too greedy to sell most of my portfolio. If I could go back in time, I would have sold everything, right? A lot of times my gut was telling me this is the top, right? When Dogecoin was pumping up, Elon was shilling Doge, I knew it was going back down, man. I didn't trust my gut. Shiba was going off for freaking no reason. People were thinking they were going to all become billionaires on Shiba. George bought Shiba live on stream at the exact top. I knew that was the top. I knew that was the top, man. And these when you got to go back and reflect on what you could have done differently. And we all could have done things differently, right? We all could have done things differently. I'm seeing a lot of Twitter right now, like I told you so's, and I was right, I told you so's, and people who weren't really right. Pay attention to those people, because those are people that you shouldn't be following, man. For people that are afraid to admit what they did wrong and are always trying to say, I told you so, I told you so, I told you so, just be cautious of those people, man. I'm seeing that a lot on Twitter. People that were wrong consistently, maybe they got one thing right and they're like, I told you so, right? Be careful of those people, man. It's a lot of big names, too. So I'll say that. I'd rather be rich than right. Hey, that's true, Wayne. That's true. Jordan, the teacher parent for the day. Hey, we've all been there, man. No one's perfect. Even the bears guys, you got to understand, even the bears that have been right the last 6 months, they were wrong the whole bull market, man. So everyone's wrong at some point. No one hits the market extremely right. And it's important to reflect on what you did wrong. You know what I'm saying? Let's see. BitBoy, Mr. Always Right. Yep. Yeah, he's one of them. But hey, I'm going to keep my mouth shut. This is what it is. Can you look at our LLC? Savvy is calling for 6 to 7K. True. To be fair, you only need to be right once to be financially set for life. That's what I've been telling you guys. It doesn't matter. It really doesn't. If you buy during the right times, you can be wrong 90% of the time. But as long as you get that one thing right, you're good. You're good. You know what I'm saying? So this is what it is. It is what it freaking is. You want to time that one time correctly, right? like say right now, right? Say if Bitcoin bottoms at the 200 week. I don't know if it's going to happen, but if it does, and you go big right there, and the bull market starts, the last 6 months don't mean shit to being wrong, right? It doesn't matter whatsoever. You guys remember that Plan B guy? Facts. That is absolutely facts. All right, Bitcoin's back down at the lows, man. We'll see if Bitcoin breaks the low again. Bop, bop, bop. What am I, a chicken? Bop, bop, bop. Bop, bop, bop. Let's see. Cisco said, I felt depressed when I sold a portion of my holdings at 68K. Now I feel like a genius. Nice, man. You trusted your gut. You trusted your freaking gut. Now, do I believe you sold at 68K? Not really. A lot of people like to say that in hindsight. But, you know, it is what it is. People love to say stuff in hindsight. You know what I mean? It is what it is. Is Jordan eating a sock? No. No. We ain't eating socks. Amir, what's going on, man? Appreciate the super sticker. Thanks for hanging out. Is Jordan eating a sock? No.
Nope.
We ain't doing it. We ain't doing it, man. Actually, yeah, let me do a poll real quick. You guys are gonna vote yes just to troll me, but is Jordan going to eat the sock? If you guys are new to the stream, I have to eat a sock if Bitcoin blows below 20K. I have to eat a sock on stream, literally on stream, if Bitcoin drops below 20K. Is Jordan going to eat sock? Yes or no? Is Jordan going to eat a sock? Answer the poll. Let me know in the chat. You guys are probably going to troll me. It is what it is. It is what it freaking is. I love coffee. You guys, what are you guys drinking today? Coffee? I know that my Euro guys in the chat are probably hanging out drinking some beers right now. Beers at the bar, as we say in Boston. I bet you guys are chilling right now. Yeah, I mean, we're just chilling watching the charts, man. I mean, there's no really point in doing TA right now. I'm going to be perfectly honest with you guys. If I don't feel like there's a point of doing TA, I ain't going to do TA. All right? I'm going to tell you guys a couple things that I think, but right now, it's just a sell-off, bro. It's a sell-off, and we got to see how the stock markets react. Stock markets dump on the open, Bitcoin's going lower. 100%. 100%. Especially with the fear and uncertainty going on right now. So, that's what we're watching for, man. Other than that, the only thing I'm watching is the 200 SMA on the weekly. If that breaks, 20K. So, that's about it, man. We're just kind of chilling. We're chilling. But, like I said, if it does drop to those levels, I don't think it's going to be there for very long. So, let's find out. Let's find out, man. These are the times where you put your balls to the test. Who has the balls, right? Who has the balls? Who has the cojones? For my girls out there, who has the diamond vaginas, right? And quite frankly, we'll find out. We'll find out, man. We'll find out who was right at what point, you know? In reality, does it matter really? I mean, it kind of does. I mean, you make extra money if you buy lower, right? Let's be honest. Let's keep it 100, but that's what I'll say. The sock is waiting for you. Pre-market looks mega bloody. Yeah. We got 19 minutes until the open. You still haven't eaten white sackle. Why would I believe white sackle? Why did I say white sackle? That's what Clint eats. Hold on. Wow, what's white sackle? That sounds so good. Jordan, what's white sackle? What are those? Is that what I think? Oh, Lord. White sackle. Oh, Lord. Pre-market's already priced in. I have two balls. Make it Canada.
Basically, Bitcoin is
Lord.
clearly a scam. Cryptocurrency is clearly an idiot with no
There's my guy,
common
Clint.
sense.
I know Clint was
And
in here this morning.
scientifically speaking, according to a study at the Bank of Canada,
Eating a
more
sock.
people who are financially illiterate
Maya bakes a
invest
cake in the form of a sock. That would be better, man. I need a cake in form of a sock. I'm not gonna lie. It'd be carrot cake though. It'd be some juicy, juicy carrot cake. All right. Do you remember me from last year? I will still watch. I don't comment that much. Aaron, I remember you, man. I remember everyone. I'm very good with names, man. Gasper said we're gonna go up. Let's see. Robert said I'm 66 and working towards 2024 halving. Should be the end goal, man. At the end of the day, whether you think Bitcoin's going up short term or long term, we still got the halving event in 2 years, right? So, but the thing about the halving event is everyone knows it's coming, right? So I think it's going to get front run. I don't think it's going to take 2 years for the market to go back up. Because this time, right, even the general plebs know know about the halving event. In 2020, not many people knew about it. Now everyone kind of knows about it. So we'll find out. We'll find out too. You know what I'm saying? Let's see. Bitcoin is the only thing. I can't speak for everyone, but I actually don't expect. Listen, will I actually swallow the sock? We'll find out, but probably not. But you know, I will chew on it. It will be embarrassing either way, and we will have a great introduction and great celebration as Jabba brings me the sock on a platter. He's been cooking it for like 3 weeks now. We'll have a great celebration. You know what I'm saying? Exactly, Young Lot. What's going on, Crate? Good morning, man. Bernie, what's going on, man? Good morning. Good morning. Everyone's popping in now. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, good morning, good morning. You gonna eat a specifically made candy sock? Crane said Jordan looks orange. Do I look orange? Let me look at myself on the TV. I look, no. I look like my normal Italian self. Agree with the front running halving 2024? Yep. Me too. This is BS. I was promised a sock to be eaten. Oh, that's funny. That's funny. All right. Bitcoin's, let's see, man. We're coming back down to the lows again. Coming back down to the lows once again. Who's trying to still catch this falling knife? Everyone who longed overnight got absolutely wrecked. Who's still trying to catch the longing knife? The longing knife. The falling knife. Holy moly. Let's see. Certified green tan. Yeah. What's ETH doing? 1221. Who's long right now? Who's long? Let's do this poll. Is Jordan going to eat a sock? 68% said yes. Okay. I see what it is. I hope all you guys eat the sock back. How about this? If Bitcoin doesn't go below 20K, you guys have to eat a sock. Do we got a deal? If you guys are so confident, if Bitcoin doesn't go below 20K, you guys have to eat a sock. Let me know if you'll take up that bet. Let me know. Let me know, man. If you guys are so confident, put the bet up. You got to eat a sock if it doesn't. Let me know. And my plan was to nibble all the way. All right, let's see. So ETH 1220. Cap in Ethereum, man. 1100 is the next target I'm looking for, though. That's the 786 retracement from the bear market 2018 lows to the 2021 highs. Let's go. All right, so Chewy's going to do it. All right, I like it. I like the confidence. Put your sock where your mouth is. No pun, actually, pun intended. That's a pretty good one. Put the sock where the mouth is, because you're eating the sock. Get it? That's a pretty good pun. All right, ETH is coming down hard. Here comes Bitcoin again. Bitcoin coming back down to the lows. This is the test. Will it hold this? Will it hold this? If this breaks, guys, I just have this as a drawing here, just to show you what I normally look for. Do I think this is going to play out? No. I think it's going to come back down here. But I just have this to, represent if we were to get a bounce, what we want it to look like, But I don't think this is going to hold, personally. I don't have conviction in this holding right now whatsoever. What will happen when the market opens? Who knows, man? I will bet you nibbling down compounds. T-minus 13 minutes until Bloody Monday. They're setting up for something here. They're holding the lows until Bloody Monday starts. Let's see. Let's see, man. Always when no one expects. Guys, we got 12 minutes until the market open, man. We are going to absolutely have some... I think it's going to be... Let's find out. All right, here comes Bitcoin. Back down to the lows. Let's see what happens here. Will we get Bloody Monday? Bloody Monday. Let's find out, man. Let's see. 23,521. We are currently... Wow, look at how close we are to the 200 SMA. It's like surreal that it's actually going down right now. Because we've been waiting for this for a long time. Have we, guys? We've been waiting for this for a long time. So, it's coming. It's coming. It might happen today. I won't be surprised. We're only $1,000 away from the 200 SMA. Absolutely surreal. Surreal shit going down right now, man. We haven't been down to the 200 SMA for Bitcoin since March 2020. If that never happened, it's been 4 years, over 4 years since we've been down to the 200 SMA. If the pandemic never happened. So, absolutely surreal stuff. Surreal freaking shit. You don't get these opportunities very often. Like, I don't even count the pandemic crash because that was... I have my own opinion about that. But over here, the real true time it went down there is December 2018. So we're talking almost 4 years since it's been down to those levels, man. It's only been down to those levels 2 times in its history. So, guys, do what you want to do, man. Do what you want to do. All right, Bitcoin dropping below the lows. Here we go, man. Here we go. All you can do is laugh. Witnessing history with Jordan. Everyone, let's hold hands and sing. All right, let's hold hands and sing, guys. Kumbaya. I don't know if I can sing that. I don't know if that's the time for that. I don't even know what that means. What does Kumbaya mean, guys? Can someone tell me in the chat? Like, I always know that song since a kid, but I never had any idea what it actually meant. Nice elevator music. Yeah, it's elevator down. Watch for the long wick down and immediate retrace. Facts. It's usually what Bitcoin does. Like, if we go back in the past when we've tested the 200 EMA, the 200 SMA, guys, let's go back in the past. March of 2020, big wick below, instant retrace. All right? 2018, didn't even go below it. You had a small little wick, closed above it. Let's go back down here, guys. 2014, wick below it, instant retrace. 2015, wick below it, instant retrace. You've never had, based off history, and we obviously keep in mind that crypto's only been around during a stock market bull market, right? It's never been through a true bear market per se, all right? So keep that in mind. But Bitcoin's never had a true weekly close. I mean, you had a slight weekly close here, but a true weekly close below the 200 SMA in its history. We could be witnessing history today, which is crazy to think about, man. It's crazy to think about. Like we are here right now, witnessing an asset that's never dropped below a certain moving average in its history. As far as a close, it's had wicks below, but as far as a weekly close, crazy stuff. Once the stock market opens, the 200 SMA will break. If it goes below that, man, you're going to be seeing me pick up my phone and buying some. Some more. I already have a buy order slightly above. Okay? And then if it wicks and it comes back down here and hangs out down here this week, I'll be picking up some more. For sure. Because based off history, it's always been a wick. And you end up closing back above. Singing Horseface guy. Horseface guy's going nuts right now, man. I think he just woke up too.
What? This is ridiculous! I was not told of this! I was told the base was in! I was told the bottom was in by George! What happened to the bear trend? No, this is just a bear trend. I'm putting it in a long. I'm putting a long position in right now. Yeah, let's put a long in. Long in Bitcoin right now. 50x leverage. Let me go. Let me use Carl's link. Here we go. Okay. 50x leverage. Just going nuts for no reason. Yeah. In the meantime, Jabba's having a party in the other room. Jabba's going freaking nuts right now. Oh, Lord. Singing Horseface guy. Can you show the SMA you're using? It's just the 200. Oh, I'm still Java. Still Java. The 200 SMA is sitting at 22,369. It's just the 200 simple moving average, man. So you can just type in, if you're on TradingView, just type in, what would it be more? Just moving average, and then just change it to the 200 week, or 200 on the weekly time frame. Java. Let's see. My strategy is the same. I caught a couple shorts when I learned about vector candles, but DCA with a few bigger buys at certain levels is still my main strat. It's the way to go, man. Short, it's no problem with shorting the market when you see opportunities. That's another one of my biggest mistakes, man. And this is another thing I've admitted to you guys. It's like, if you see opportunities to short the market, don't be afraid to do it. Don't be brainwashed into thinking, oh, we're on go up. You cannot short the market. That is immoral. No, it's called a hedge. Okay, a lot of people think when you short the market, it means you don't have any hodl positions too. You can have hodl positions and short the market. It's a hedge against your hodl bag. Okay. It's a hedge, right? So basically, you have a hodl bag, price goes up, you're making money. You don't short, all right? In the same instance, when the market's in a clear downtrend, and it's clearly just been dumping for months, why wouldn't you short the pumps, okay? And then when the market's going down, you make money on your longs, right? As your hodl portfolio is going down, and you're fine, right? So everyone's been brainwashed into thinking the market, you can only make money in one way in the market, which is not true. Get that brainwashing out of your head. I used to think like that too. Get the brainwashing out of your freaking head, man. Right? There's a time and place. There's a time and place to make money both ways in the market, man. Everyone's got to get that brainwashing out. It's the freaking this is a dumb way to thinking about the market, man. It's a dumb way. The biggest money in the world shorts markets, man. They don't care. You got to be ruthless, you know? Let's see. Sailors selling. All right, let's see. Let's see. We're not even close to gold market cap. Never selling. Never selling. Just saying. No bids coming in. We'll find out. We got 3 minutes until the market open. 3 minutos until the market open. Let's go look at, say, the DXY here. Bitcoin market cap. Bitcoin dominance going down, actually. Interesting. Bitcoin dominance getting wrecked. Not wrecked. I'm exaggerating here. Bitcoin dominance is actually coming down, which I would not expect in this time. You know, I would expect altcoins to just be selling off like crazy. DXY still kind of just chilling here at 104. Nothing really changed there. S&P. Let's go back to let's change this to the S&P. Tether dominance still mooning to the upside. We talked about that already. Let's hang out on the S&P here as we watch this. Yeah, we'll watch this for the S&P. Bitcoin 23,440, still just chilling at its lows. Is this Michael Saylor BS real? I think if that was real, the markets would be dumping more, man. So I don't know. I don't know about that. Not because of his sells, but because of people just being absolutely panicking like crazy. You know what I mean? Short's gonna get wrecked. People have been saying that for a long time, man. I'm gonna be honest. How long have we been saying short's gonna get wrecked for? You know? I don't know. You do what you want to do. I'm gonna tell you right now. I'm not putting any leverage long positions in. That's for sure. You do what you want to do, man. Someone's gonna time the bottom on a leverage long and be a freaking millionaire, man. But listen, I'm not in that business at the moment. I still think true, Drunk Bear. It's very true. Horse guy wrecked. True, Joe. Horse guy is wrecked. Horse guy is absolutely wrecked. Shorts are killing it. 23K by end of day. Oh, Lord, stop the wreckness. Oh, I think we're going to see the 200 SMA today. I have a big feeling we're going to see the 200 SMA today. As long as the stock markets don't show strength. If the stock markets dump today, Bitcoin's going to the 200 SMA. 100%. 100%. The one thing I will say is you have a daily vector candle popping up. All right? Daily vector candle popping up, which usually means you're going to come back up and retrace at least some of this. Not all of it, right? Usually at least about 50% of the vector candle. So the good news is, you know, maybe at least we'll see some relief rally at some point, man. You know? Right now, I don't know, but we'll find out. All right, S&P market open. We're starting out red here. We're breaking the lows. Let's go actually go to the daily. We got 2 gaps to the upside, guys, so keep that in mind, right? You could still dump here early and then come back up, but you got a daily gap here. You got a daily gap here. All right, so 2 gaps, which usually means they're going to come back up in Phillies at some point. Will it be today? It doesn't have to be today. You know, that's sort of the issue we're looking at here. You could dump today and then come back up tomorrow, or dump today and come back up later this week, right? So let's find out. All right, Bitcoin, so far so good, trying to bounce back up to the upside. Let's see. If that W formation can play out. If not, we're pooping. All right, let's continue to watch this. 3809 on the S&P. Let's pump. False move Monday. It's all about false move Monday. Tito talks about false move Mondays. Be careful of any move on Monday. What happened to Bitcoin being an inflation hedge? I thought that was always a dumb argument, man. Bitcoin's not an inflation hedge. I mean, you could look at it as how much it's gained over time, right? But as far as like a day-to-day, week-to-week inflation hedge, not the greatest. But it's still arguably the best performing asset in the last 11 years, even with this dump. Let's see. It's gonna be exploding. Oh Lord, lordy. Ethereum 1219. So Ethereum's still trying to hold up a little bit at least. S&P 3809. So not really much happening at the moment, right? So far, we came back down and took this daily wick. Waiting for this low to be broken here on the daily. Right there. That low gets broken on the S&P on the daily, pop. Just be watching that. That's why you're getting a little support at the moment at this level. But we'll watch that, obviously. Drunk Bear said it's a hedge depending on when you get in. True. It's a long-term. Yeah, long-term hedge, basically, is what I was saying. Day-to-day, week-to-week, it's not going to really be a hedge. But you hold long enough, you probably outperform every asset class. You know what I mean? All right, so far so good. 23,900. How long would this play out, though? You know? S&P still holding up today. We're still holding up a little bit. Still holding up. Fake up now? Stop hunt coming? Probably. You know how that works. They usually they'll open it, move it to the upside, right? Get everyone to long, everyone to FOMO in, right? You'll have horse guys say, "The bottom is in." Yes, the bottom is in. Oh my God, George was right. The bottom was in. I'm FOMOing now. I'm FOMOing. Yes. Let me log into. Yes. Here we go. I'm FOMOing. I'm literally FOMOing. Yes. There it is. The bottom is in. Yes. Meantime. No! Bitcoin's pumping! I'm closing my shorts! I'm about to get liquidated. I'm closing my shorts. Yes, we have confirmation. Yes, Horse Guy is FOMOing in and Jabba's closing his shorts. Yes. Oh, yes, we have a double whammy now. We tricked them. Okay, now you know what to do. We made them do it. Yes, now dump it. Dump it hard. Dump it like you never dumped it before.
Dump it.
And then they bring it back down to the downside. You know how it works. Horse Guy. Is Horse Guy Rover? Oh, Lord, man. Lord. Oh, Lord. I gotta pee again, guys. You guys care if I go pee again? You guys care if I go pee? I know you guys don't really care if I go pee. And honestly, you probably would just be like, Juris, don't go pee. Don't tell us you have to pee, man. Just go pee. Maybe that and something else. Alright, let me play something for you while we wait, man. Here, you guys can listen to our good friend BitBoy tell us that the top is coming out. Hold on, guys. I'll be right back. You guys can watch Bitcoin here. I'll be right back. Give me 2 minutes, man. 2 minutes. As always, see if I'm going to wash my hands or not. I'll be back in 2 minutes. All right? Here you go. The biggest crypto channel on the interwebs. Now, guys, my sources continue to tell me that we will top out within 2 weeks of September 23rd. I repeat, within 2 weeks of September 23rd. I still stand by this prediction, and I am not going to waver from this prediction. We will see Bitcoin top out within 2 weeks of September 23rd. Okay? And then we will see a giant black swan event that will drop us down within 2 weeks of September 23rd. The biggest channel in the interwebs. Now, my sources have told me that this bull market can now continue into the rest of this year. Can you ban that guy in the chat? Ban that guy in the chat. Thank you. Yeah, thank you. My sources have told me that the bull market will continue to the end of this year, guys. Trust me, I know what I'm talking about, okay? I've been in this space for years, okay? So, the bull market is not even close to over. I'm going to tell you that right now. Coming back. Yo, we're back. No sound? No, we're back, man. We're back. Thank you guys for waiting. No sound? Dump it. Is this supposed to be altcoin daily? No, altcoin daily. Why altcoin daily? Bihu, being the guy in the chat. Awesome job on the likes. How many people we got in here today? Oh, we got a crowd here in the morning. Holy moly, man. 845 likes. I love it. Can we get that up to 1,000 likes? I think we can right now. Guys, listen. I know everyone's salty, but listen, there's nothing we can do now. You can't change it. All right, let's get it. Let's get it. Let's all right, let's continue on here. So horse guy wreck. Don't be trolling me, man. You tried to troll me yesterday with the no sound. I can figure out if there's no sound in 2 seconds. I can just go, Maya, can you press unmute? And I'll know. I know you guys are trolling me. Don't do it. Don't do it. All right. So still just watching Bitcoin. So far, a nothing burger here. So far, a big, fat nothing burger. I don't know how long it's going to last for, though. S&P, 3810. Still trying to hold those lows. That low breaks. Bop, bop, bop. You're coming back down to the downside. All right, so we're still watching that. Should I tell my girlfriend I have crypto? Yeah, man. If you're afraid to tell her you have crypto, then there's already a problem there, you know? I mean, that means that you think that she's not going to trust your decisions, which means it's probably already an issue there. You know what I'm saying? Have confidence in yourself, man. Seriously. Have confidence in your decisions. I'm salty if we don't hit the 200. I'm salty. I still think we're going to 200, man. Even if Bitcoin rallies at some point, I still think we're going to the 200. Any way you look at it, I think we're going back down there. Now, just be careful because you know how it is. Sometimes these can get front run a little bit, you know. So just be careful there. And I think a lot of people are expecting it just to go here and hang out. To me, if it goes down here, it's gonna be quick, man. It's gonna be quick. I hope, at least in theory. This is all a theory. It should be quick. So, if it does come out and hang down here, I'll be buying more. But, we'll find out. 23.536. Drives me crazy the people that go hold it. Let me call my wife and see if I'm allowed to buy. That's weak. I mean, I agree. Let me ask my wife. No, man. If you're the man, you should know how to make money. And quite frankly, you shouldn't have to ask your wife to buy something, you know? It's called investing. Should I tell my wife about... oh my God. That's bad, man. Let's not go there. Brutal rejection. True. All right, 23,417. Here we go. Big rejection off the... this is a 13 EMA. Big rejection off there. Let's see if we continue down now. But that's a pretty fat little thing there, man. So we're still waiting on this. It's called gambling. Depends what you want to do. There's a difference between investing and gambling, you know? Have I DCA'd any more Bitcoin? I did yesterday. You guys saw me yesterday. Right now, I mean, I have a buy order slightly above the 200 SMA. So I'm waiting to see if that gets hit. I'm gonna be pissed off. I'll be somewhat salty if it doesn't come back down there. I think it's like 20. It's slightly above here. I don't know the exact amount, but it's slightly above the 200 SMA. Slightly above there. So that's my next one. Looks like Bitcoin could be coming back down there as we speak. If it drops below there, I'll be going on my phone right here on stream and buying some more on my phone. So let's see what happens, man. But yeah, we're pushing those lows. S&P. Oh yeah, there goes the S&P, man. There goes the S&P. There it goes. Do 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 do. Ba da ba 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 boom. Ba 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 boom. There we go. You will get Brute front run? Oh hell no. Hell no. We ain't getting front run out here. That's why you put it slightly above. Capitulation always happens on Monday. True. T said burn, baby. Burn, baby, burn. I knew that Saf was not filling that gap. Not today. Not today. The good news is, I mean, these gaps usually get filled. So, I mean, the good news is that at some point down the line, we can expect the S&P to come back up. It's just a matter of when, you know? Doesn't have to happen right away. That's why we said they could dump it in the beginning of the week and then bring it back up. So, let's keep watching, man. What's going on, .sav Gaming Clips? Your name reminds me of Savvy, you know? But it's okay. It's okay. The Bears have some gaps that need to be filled. Do they? I think Jabba's filling all those gaps right now, man. He's filling your girls' gaps right now. Yeah, we're not gonna go. We're not gonna go look what Jabba's doing. Jabba's getting he's getting his morning wood taken care of there. So we're not gonna bother him. We'll ask him what he thinks tonight. You know, he's busy. He's busy this morning. I'm a gap filler. You're a gap filler? Okay. All right. So we chill. That's my favorite saying. We chill. That was so German. How was that German? Let's see. Choppa literally pumping it. What's the title of that song? Rewind by O'Shane. That's the title of the song. Amir became a Moon member. What's going on, Amir? Good to have you in here, man. Good to have you in here, man. Amir's been watching forever, so I appreciate you, Amir. You're nuts, bro. You're nuts. You're nuts. You're absolutely nuts. What's going on, Stefan? What? Everyone always says that. We chillin' equals we're chillin' in German? Okay, we chillin'. We want to fill gaps. We want to fill those gaps. Crypto feeling Shiza today. Very true. Shout out to all my Shizas in the chat. A lot of you guys that speak German in the chat. I actually didn't know that's how you spelled it. That doesn't look like how you say it. How you say Shiza does not look out how it actually looks like it's spelled. You know? Mad love, man. What's going on, Code Rocks? Mad love and respect. All right, so right now, guys, I mean, the case for the Bulls, like we said, if you're just joining now, the case for the Bulls is the W formation. Do I see it playing out? That's only if the S&P can find some movement to the upside. That's only if the NASDAQ can hold up, right? If those don't hold up, it ain't happening. So we got to watch those. We got to see if the DXY. Right now, the DXY is kind of just chilling. I don't know how long that's going to last for, though. Same thing. DXY, the daily, just looks like a freaking beast. So we'll continue to watch that. But, man, a lot of it depends on things that aren't in Bitcoin's control. You know what I mean? So let's continue to watch, man. We got a yellow vector candle down here right now on the 15-minute time frame. So I would expect Bitcoin to come back down and take that at the very, very least. Right? So let's watch. Let's get some Shiza in the chat. All right? Have a plan, stick to it. 200-week moving average. Coming in hot here. Coming in hot and heavy. All right? We are, a couple minutes ago, we were only $1,000 away from the 200-week. This is what we've been waiting for a long time, man. So make sure you have a plan. Make sure you're ready for it at the end of the day. If we break it, be ready for some craziness, man. Be ready for some craziness. The times that we have broken it have been gnarly wicks. So just be prepared for it. Like this whole week, just be prepared for anything, man. You never know. You never know what could happen. And I will say that during these types of phases, it is the best time to be paying attention to the market because you're going to see insane volatility, right? So all you traders out there, you'll be seeing insane volatility. If you can time it correctly, you're going to kill it. Just be prepared for crazy price action and to be stopped out if you're in trades. Yeah, I mean, you'll see some volatility, man. Next stop, 17K if this breaks. I would say you should have some support in at about 19,164. You have the previous all-time high closes on the weekly, and you also have a bottom of a vector candle sitting right there at about 19, right at the previous all-time high at 19,200-ish. So that should be some support. If that breaks, yeah, we'll go from there. You know, we'll go from there. If that breaks, I'd be looking at about 16,000 actually myself, but that's down the line. Let's see what happens there. You know. Shane says 7-month member. What's going on, Shane? Yellow inverted bull hammer. Yellow inverted bull hammer. Oh, right here. Yeah, I would say that it's going to retrace this. I would say it's going to retrace this to the downside. It's just my opinion. You guys take it for what you will. But yeah, I think it's going to retrace this back to the downside. 3,800 on the S&P. That's still trying to come back down here. Code Rock said, I heard 16K over a year ago and thought, no way. Bathwater said, once no one is left, we gonna go up. How do you know no one's left, though? You know, if you're here, how do you know when no one's left? Because you're still here, right? Think about it deeply. You're still here, so that means someone's left. Right now, I'd say, all right, we got almost 2,000 people in the stream right now, which means people are still here, you know? Does that mean we have a long way to go? I don't know. Time will tell. Time will tell. The recession hasn't even begun. Interesting. It's going to explode. I'm just kind of seeing what you guys are saying in the chat, man. Because honestly, everyone has their own opinion, but does anyone really know what's going to happen right now? No. Everyone has their own opinion, though. What do you guys think in the chat? Let me ask you guys in the chat. I'm curious. Where do you think, this is kind of a watch party this morning, where do we think that, let me first ask this. Do we think in the chat that Bitcoin is going to get a weekly close? I'm talking a close, not a wick. Do we think we're going to see a weekly close below the 200 SMA? Not a wick. Not a wick. All right? Hold on. Wendy, give me 2 seconds, Wendy. Give me 2 seconds. Yeah, 2 seconds, Wendy. 2 seconds. Okay? Yes, Bitcoin's obviously going to close below the wick. Obviously. Okay? No shit. Trust me, I've been right this whole market since November. Of course we're going to see a wick. Of course we are. And it's going to close below it, Jordan. Get ready. Okay, come here. Come back, Wendy. Come back. So Java thinks we are. He's going to go back doing his thing. Yes, no, yes. Yes. Yes, below. We'll get 4 weekly closes below, said Nabil. Okay. No. Oh, excuse me, man. Woo! Man. It's how should I say this? If it does, I'll still DCA. Should have bought it at 23K. Okay. Drew said you'll be eating that sock next weekend. Oh, Lord. Drew, don't be telling me that, man. Bro. Nah. You getting it twisted? Did Michael Saylor get liquidated? I don't know. I don't know. No one really knows what his true liquidation price is. Or I guess people know what his liquidation price is. I think he said that he could stay in the market until Bitcoin was like 3K or something like that. I forget the exact amount. What day is the sock eating party? At this rate, could be today. Could be tomorrow. We don't know. We don't know. $300-week SMA. Yeah, I know a lot of people say the 300-week SMA. We've only been down there once, if I remember correctly. Let me just change these. Let me change this one to the 300-day or 300. I know a lot of people say the 300 just because you went down there in March of 2020, right? You went down there March of 2020, and down here we didn't have enough data back then, but I don't know. Right now that's sitting at about 16,500, you know? So obviously that moves up every week that goes by as well. So keep that in mind, but that would be pretty gnarly. I mean, if we're going to be real, if the 300-week moving average does get hit, that's about another 29% drop, which would be pretty gnarly, man. That would be pretty gnarly. Gnarly. I don't know why am I using the word gnarly. Why am I using the word gnarly, man?
Jordan, you're such a nerd. Who says gnarly? Who says that? What are you, from the 80s? Gnarly? We don't say that anymore. I'm part of the cool kids club. Okay? We don't say gnarly. Who says that? Christ, man. Gnarly? This guy thinks he's smart and says gnarly.
Bruh.
Oh, man. Gnarly, man. We're gnarly. Hit up the like button. What's going on, Amir? Appreciate you hitting up the like button, man. Tubular. What's some of those like words that people used to say? People used to do this right here. Bah, bah. People used to do this. That's gnarly, bro. Gnarly. That's like the surfers used to do that. Guys who wear sleeveless hoodies. Yes. Yes, man. Yes, man. You're just mad you can't wear a sleeveless hoodie, you know? Because if you wear a sleeveless hoodie, people would be like, bro, why are you wearing a sleeveless hoodie? But I can wear a sleeveless hoodie. Because I wear sleeveless hoodies. You know what I'm saying? Bussin'. Bob wants to bust it. Bust it. Bust it. Bust it. Ain't no bust it. Bugs Bunny. Happy say potato say. Bugs Bunny. And it better go. There's one more too. There's one more of those stupid songs. Stupid TikTok songs, man. That's so dumb. What's the other one? Those ones are so stupid, man. What's wrong with our world? What's wrong with our world? We got you rock a sleeveless hoodie? Thank you, man. Jordan looks like Crypto Taco's brother. Don't tell me I look like Crypto Taco, man. You guys really give me some insults sometimes. Crypto Taco? What do I look like, a taco? Some of you guys say I look like Lifer. Don't tell me that, man. Some of you guys say I look like you guys used to say I look like BitBoy's younger nephew. Don't tell me that, man. Some of these comparisons, no. I look like Carson Wentz. Okay, I think that is the closest thing to me is Carson Wentz. Carson Wentz with slightly less red hair. Okay, that's what I'll say. Market maker killing shorts. Find out. Welcome to Pauly Shore Crypto. Burrito. The budget lifer. What, the suits? The suits? Hold on, let me bust out my suit. Guys, I gotta be professional today. Hold on, let me go change into my suit. Okay? Let me go change into my suit. I'm gonna go be professional today. Okay? Let me go be professional. Hold on, I'll be right back, guys. Let me be professional today. Hold up, I'll be right back. What's going on, everyone? Today we're gonna learn how to do trading. All right, let's look at some new patterns here. Let's look at new patterns. Let's go check out. Okay.
Strap up. We're going to the moon.
Let's go check out symmetrical triangles. All right, guys. Let's go check out symmetrical triangles. So you guys can see right now there is a clear symmetrical ascending. I don't even know what this says. There's a clear wedge formation going on Bitcoin right now. Right. Clear wedge formation, right? And we got a clear bullish divergence here on the 15-minute chart, right? You guys can see here, bullish divergence on the RSI, all right? Perfect. This is the best TA you can find on YouTube. You guys want this TA? Falling wedges, symmetrical triangles, stuff that you can learn for free on YouTube? Sign up for my trading group, man. Sign up for my trading group. The best TA you can find on YouTube, man, all right? For free. $100 a month, I'll show you how to draw symmetrical triangles and wedge formations and use the stock RSI. All right? That's all I have for you today. Peace out, lifers. I'm so evil, man. All right, I'm so evil. All right, here we go. Here we go. Let's get out of this. Very professional, man. Very professional here. I'm gonna go. You gonna go? Come on. You gonna go? Sponsored by TJ Maxx. Oh, Lord. All right. Let's go over here. Oh, Lord. All right. 23,600. Let's see what is going next. Let's see. Suit gives you credibility. I don't know about that, man. I disagree with that. I think that's an old way of thinking, man. I personally think that's a super old way of thinking. No, man. No, guys, I'm kidding. I like Lifer. Lifer's a good dude, man. Lifer's a good guy. I don't agree with everything he does, but I like Lifer, man. He's a good guy. He's a good guy. All right, continuing on. Should make market makers. Actually, market makers has been relatively more doable lately. I was watching market makers a couple months ago. He actually wasn't bad anymore. You know, I haven't watched him in a long time, so I don't know what he's talking about now. Jordan looks like Ben Roethlisberger on a keto diet. That's actually relatively true too. Relatively true. Use Gone fans. Let's see. Only criminals wear suits? I don't know if that's true. Criminals don't wear suits. Come on, guys.
Jordan looks like Ben Roethlisberger on a keto diet.
Jordan looks like Rorschach from the Watchmen. I gotta go check that out. Someone said I look like a bootleg. I love when people say I look like a bootleg this person. You know? A bootleg this person. All right, let's go back to BTC. Yeah, I mean, BTC is not really having not really doing anything in the open here. S&P dropped below 3,800. Actually pushing 30. Wow, S&P is dropping 37.97 here. S&P is coming down a little bit here. $37.95. S&P's coming down. Bitcoin not really following it as right now. I mean, it's coming down a little bit, but not really doing too much. Ethereum, $12.31. Ethereum still just chilling as well, too. Imagine Jordan at the Bitcoin conference with all the crypto people he makes fun of. I'd go. I have no problem with that. If someone can't take a little bit of humor and can't take a little bit of if someone can't take a little bit of humor and can't have himself get roasted a little bit, shows that like a weak-minded person, man, in my opinion, you know. But it is what it is. I like to get roasted. I love to get roasted myself. Let's see. Jordan looks like a washed-up basketball player. Interesting. What constitute a washed-up basketball player? I would take that. At least it's a basketball player, you know? It could be something a lot worse. Could be something a lot worse. Ribbing? Like I said, right now, guys, we're not really doing TA because TA really doesn't matter at this current time. We're kind of just chilling and watching. We're chilling and watching. TA, I mean, you guys can do all the TA you want, but, you know, I would say doing TA on Bitcoin right now is kind of pointless. Doing TA on any altcoin right now is kind of pointless. Yeah, it's what I'll say, man. I'm going to be honest. Like, I'm not going to sit here and make up some bullshit patterns that don't really matter at the moment, you know? So, we watching, man. That's what we're watching here. So do you Jordan looks like a third shift night manager at McDonald's. No, if I was a little bit more chubby, I would, you know? If I was a little bit more chubby. Where's my McDonald's hat? This would be a perfect time for McDonald's hat. They won't hire me though. Let me see if there's a Wendy's hat, maybe. Maybe Wendy's will hire me. Let's see. Let's go ask TJ. Let me go ask TJ if he'll hire me. TJ, can you hire me at Wendy's, man? I hear you guys are hiring. Can you hire me at Wendy's? Oh, interview? Okay. Yeah, I'll be there later for an interview. Thank you so much. What time? What time, by the way? 2 o'clock? All right, awesome. I'll be there for my interview. Thank you so much, TJ. Thank you so much. Okay, bye-bye. Thank you so much, TJ. Bye-bye. All right, let's get ready for my interview from Wendy's here. Wendy's. All right, let me get all dressed up. Here we go. All right, here we go. All right, here we go. All right, going to my interview, guys. I hope they like the bow ties. All right, going to my interview to Wendy's. I'm so excited, man. I'm so excited to start working again. Here we go. All right, here we go. I'm looking fresh. All right. Hey, what's going on, TJ? Hey, Jordan. Hey. Yeah, so if you want to work at Wendy's, here's the requirements. Okay? First of all, no, you can't wear that bow tie. You can't wear that bow tie. It looks absolutely horrendous. What's wrong with the bow tie? What's wrong with the bow tie? There's nothing wrong with the bow tie. What do you mean I can't wear this? Yes, you can. You can. First, second of all, you have to ban at least 5 people in your chat every day. That's what BitBoy tells me to do, and that's how I got this job. You have to ban 5 people a day. I don't want to ban people in the chat. I don't want to ban people in the chat. I'm not banning people in the chat. You're a freaking idiot, TJ. No one watches the show for you. Everyone watches for BitBoy. The only reason you have a job at BitBoy Crypto is because you're BitBoy's long-term friend. That's it. That's it. That's it, TJ. It's the only reason. That's the only reason. Get the hell out of here. We are not hiring you here. Get the hell out of my Wendy's store. Go to Burger King. Okay? You're not getting a job at Wendy's. Get the hell out of here. You're not. This is not for you. Get out of here. Joke's on you. I'm not going to Burger King. I'm going to Taco Bell. Keanu Reeves with sleeveless hoodies. Try. I kind of do look like Keanu Reeves with that, huh? I kind of will be. All right, let's see. 27,500. Ban him, TJ. I'd watch this even if I didn't have crypto. I think that's a compliment, you know? I think that's a compliment. All right. Guys, by the way, we're adding to the stream today. We're adding a updated change price ticker. I'll get one that updates updates automatically, and we're getting the sock countdown in the bottom left-hand corner of the stream. We're gonna have the Jordan Eat Sock countdown ready to go. So we'll have ready those today, and we'll be ready to rock and roll today, man. We'll be ready to rock and roll. All right, here comes Bitcoin again, 20,489. So we said we're probably gonna come back down and take this yellow vector candle. All right, so Bitcoin's coming back down and take that yellow vector candle. Let's see what happens next. All right, let's see what happens next, man. Let's see. So 23,462. Let's see what happens. Let's get it. All right. We're waiting. S&P, 37.99. DXY, still going up, 104.85 on the DXY. So we're going nuts. We're going absolutely nuts right now. New subscribers are like, what am I watching? Hey, so that's what everyone said when they first watched my stream. But everyone, hey, everyone's having a good time, man. We're having a good time here. All right, market's dumping. We could do some TA that's not going to work right now. Quite honestly, there's no point in doing TA at the moment, okay? You'll watch other people, oh, there's a falling wedge, it's a symmetrical triangle, there's this, there's that. In reality, that doesn't mean shit right now, all right? I would say the only thing I'm watching is the weekly time frame and the 200 SMA. That's the only thing I'm watching right now. There's no support looking left, all right? That is literally all I'm watching right now, all right? If you're trying to long and catch a falling knife, good luck. Don't catch the falling knife. If you're trying to catch a falling knife in the chat, spam the falling knife in the chat. Because I'll tell you right now, I'm not trying to catch a falling knife. At the same point, if you're going to put a short in, a bit of stop loss. Because, when Bitcoin does bounce, it bounces hard, So, put a stop loss in. My TA never works anyways. True. Let's see. Crypto Rue. The Falling Axe. Are you already a bit scary for the sock? I'm not worried about the sock, guys. I'm not worried about the sock. You guys keep coming in here. Oh, Jordan's so worried about the sock. I'm not worried about the sock. I will enjoy that sock. I will lick that sock from top to bottom, okay? I will take my tongue and lick the sock from top to bottom and enjoy every ounce of that sock, okay? Thanks for hanging out, Preston. Thanks for hanging out, man. All right, here comes Bitcoin. Here comes Bitcoin again. So we took that yellow vector candle to the downside. Now let's see. Now let's see what it wants to do. If it doesn't bounce here, it's just going to continue lower, man. If it doesn't bounce here, it's going to continue lower, obviously. So that's what we're waiting for. I told you guys earlier, I don't see a reason why Bitcoin will come up at this current moment. Unless the S&P wants to bounce. Right now the S&P isn't doing it. Isn't having any semblance of a bounce, okay? At the current moment. There's nothing up here for Bitcoin to come back up and take. Right? Vector candle already taken. Vector candle already taken. All these vector candles already taken. There's no reason for Bitcoin to bounce back up right now. Okay? There's zero reason for it. So I'm going to continue to say that I think Bitcoin's going lower. And that is about all I'm seeing on the charts right now, man. It's about all I'm seeing on the charts. Vectors everywhere. Everywhere. All right, here comes Bitcoin. Back down to lows. Let's see. You're still trying to see if you can create a W formation at the very, very least. I don't see it playing out, but, falling socks. 4-foot idea. If Bitcoin goes below 20K, Jordan has to long Luna. Oh, Lord. I'm not in the business of longing Luna, man. I am not in that business, When there's zero reason it flies. That's true, Banos. That's true, man. Double bottom. That's what we're hoping for. That's what we're hoping for. There. Triple bottom and micro TA. See the Binance news? I did not. I did not, but I'm going to assume if it's Binance news during a bear market, it's probably a bad thing. That's what I'm thinking. What good news? Guys, can you name me one good news? We talked about this in the past, man.
Rant alert.
During a bear market, all you literally hear is bad news. During a bull market, all you literally hear is good news. It's crazy. Like, it's crazy how that works. When's the last good news that we had? Can you even give me the last good news that's came out for crypto? I can't even think of anything. I can't think of anything since I can't think of anything since like El Salvador. Name me one good news that's came out for crypto in a long time. There's a lot of adoption now. I would agree, but I mean, show me it, you know? Manipulation? Regulation? Okay. I guess. Facts? You hear good news, but it's down by the bad news? True. Good news I heard is we gonna go up. When a dead cat bounced up to 40K. True. All right, let's go check out. Yeah, man, I'll continue to say, man. I mean, look at the monthly. Look at the month where the monthly is. Look at the 50-month exponential moving average. This has been the point where you drop below this, right? Bitcoin's only stayed there for 1 week, bounce back up. 1 week, bounce back, or 1 month, bounce back up, right? 1, 2, 3 months below it, bounce back up. 1 month below it, bounce back up. Look where we're sitting right now. We're sitting below there, right? Monthly RSI, the lowest it's ever been for Bitcoin at the current moment. All right. Once again, the lowest it's ever been for Bitcoin at the current moment. Weekly RSI also at the lowest level, some of the lowest levels it's ever been. Right. Very, very close. As Bitcoin's coming back down again. And the hash ribbons indicator flashed capitulation, which is usually the precursor to the buy signal popping up relatively shortly after. Right. It could take. I mean, quite honestly, it could take a few months for that the buy signal to pop up. But usually when that happens, that during a bear market, you see the big capitulation, and then you see the buy signal pop up within, like this time right here. You saw the buy signal pop up about 2.5 months after, right? Over here in 2015, let me go back and see how long that one took. Right here, you had the capitulation flash. And you saw the buy signal pop up about a month and a half after, right? So during bear markets, that's usually a good sign, okay? So keep that in mind. Keep that in mind, man. And every single time that's flashed a buy, it's been a excellent opportunity to pick up some crypto. So keep that in mind. We're not there yet, but this is a precursor to me of what's to come. We're not there yet, though. We're not there yet. And we're getting close to the 200 SMA, which is typically been a weekly close bottom for Bitcoin. So there's a lot of things converging together and a lot of things that are going to be tested, right, coming up this week. We'll see what happens, man. This is the moment we've been waiting for, right? This is the moment we literally been waiting for a long time. Long time. Let's see. When's the last time there's been any good economic news? Facts. Horse guy bought this whole market down. Ever since horse guy came into the picture, all we've been doing is dumping. It's facts. Sexy HD. What happened to the Sexy HD spam in the chat, too? You know? Lord, man. Every time I'm streaming, we're coming to the lows. You know? Every time I'm streaming, we're coming to the lows. I'm getting hungry again. And I always get hungry. Very, very hungry. A lot of orders at 23K. Find out if it holds. All right, here comes Bitcoin back down to the lows. 23,348. We're right there. All right, here we go. 23,320. There it goes again. Adios. Oh, Lord. I need to find a hat, man. They got rid of the McDonald's hat on here, which is slightly depressing. There we go. Let's wear this. There we go. This is better. This is good too. This is good. This is perfectly fitting right now. All right, 23,355. Here comes Sailor's liquidation. Guys, I forget what the exact number is. You guys probably tell me what Sailor's exact liquidation price is. When Naked HD gets out of crypto, we are done. True. George seemed really depressed today. I mean, you see the markets? They're not great. But most people don't know how to separate their investment life with their personal life. You know, most people don't know how to separate that. All right, 23,315. We're coming down. We're coming back down in to Goblin Town. The chat's actually pretty positive, I'd say. You guys are actually super positive in the chat, man. Super positive in the chat. 19K. Okay. Harry said Bitcoin's going to 3K. Naked HD is confirmed Satoshi. All right. We're watching live. 23,350. All hail the king. This is the king you don't want to be. This is like the one crown you don't want to wear. The Burger King crown. You know? George is bearish. We hit the bottom. I'm hoping for it. I hope George just comes out and says, guys, I think we're going lower. That's the bottom signal. He didn't quite... I don't know what people are saying. Like, I watched his video yesterday. Maybe I didn't watch the whole thing. Maybe I missed the beginning. But I didn't hear George say that we're going lower. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe hopefully he said it today. I don't know. But it's another thing that could be a signal that we bounce. You know? Could be another signal. All right, let's see what else we got over here. Naked HD, my man. Where's Naked HD? His porch video was good. He said hold cash. All right, you know what that means. Get rid of cash. He didn't? Man, look at that weekly and monthly RSI. Yeah, it's crazy. The weekly RSI is crazy, man. I mean, the weekly RSI for Bitcoin has only ever been oversold for Bitcoin 2 times in its entire history. 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 That's what happens when you talk for 2 hours. But yeah, it's only been oversold for 2 hours in its entire history. And it's oversold right now. Okay? So, will that mean anything as of right now? No. I mean, that could always retrace back up and just go right back to the downside, right? Let's be honest here. Let's keep it real. Let's not be moon boys. All right? I told you guys, I'm done being a moon boy. The weekly RSI can come back up and come right back down. But if we were to take it as where we're currently standing, and for a bottom, that's what you want to see, typically, right? It's what you want to see. So, is it a guaranteed thing? No, but you got to put multiple things together, you know? There's multiple things are coming together at this relative area that we are right now. Man, we're so close to this, man. I think we're going to see this today. In my personal opinion, I think we're going to see this test today. And we'll see how strong Bitcoin can be right now, man. We'll see how strong we can be. All right. DXY. DXY is about to break the highs, man. If DXY breaks the highs too, GG. GG. Look at that daily. We still got a long day to go on the DXY. Coming right back up to test the previous high. DXY is about to moon to the upside if that breaks. S&P. It's just gonna be a lot of playing this right now. It's like the anti-pump song. Remember how we played like the pump song like 30 days in a row, like 30 times every stream? Now it's the dumb song. It goes. All right. And Bitcoin is still chilling at the lows. Still not having that decisive move back down, but man, I'm going to get rid of this W because, like I said, I didn't think that was going to play out anyways, but that was the bullish hopium. So now down we go. GG. I missed the violin. Do you, Fumbles? Do you? Man, remember when Vitalik was happy? What are Vitalik's doing today? I always wonder, like, what like the crypto guys are doing today. I always wonder what they're doing. Like, what do you guys think Vitalik's doing today? You think he's doing this on a bus? First of all, why are they on a bus? Thinking about why is the guy behind him like going nuts and dancing like my brother? His shoulder drop isn't even to the beat. Look at the guy behind Vitalik. That's some of the worst dancing I've ever seen. At least Vitalik's clapping goes to the beat. You know? He's beating off, probably. Oh, Lord. Let's play it one more time. Look at the guy behind Vitalik. Look at his shoulder drop, bro. Look at his shoulder drop. Bop! Busy being rich. Here it is. He's a white rapper. Let's see. All right, 23,292. Here we go again. Here we go again. We're on the road again. Halo said, that's the guy you're interested in your investments? That's actually facts. We used to say that back in the day.
Wow! You trust that guy? That's the friggin' founder of the project you have the most money in, Jordan? You're an idiot. You see that guy? That guy looks like a friggin' idiot. Smart people are supposed to wear suits. You're supposed to wear suits. You're always supposed to be investing in projects that have founders that wear suits. Vitalik wears weird shit. Yeah, you're gonna trust that guy who's clapping like this? What kind of shit is that? I invest in Shiba, who has True Team. They wear suits. Yeah, suits.
Guys, some of the smartest people in the world don't wear suits, man. They wear freaking hoodies, sweatpants. That shit doesn't matter, man. That's such an overused thing. It's ridiculous. All right. 23,311. I trust Burger Crown traders only. Oh, I need my... Let's go over here. There we go, man. Alts are going to explode. Vitalik literally has... All right. All right, come on, BTC. You're chilling right here at the lows. We want to see some movement here. S&P dumping like a chuku. I don't even know what that word means. I hope it doesn't mean anything wrong. I don't know what that means. ETH, 1210. Bitcoin's just slow bleeding at the moment. Just slow bleed to the downside. JBH said shorted Yurt Finance and Tron. Nice job, man. We should do pump songs for shorts now. You know, to be honest, like, someone's making money, they're making money, you know? People like to hate on shorting, but it is what it is. Get that sock ready, said Rado. Come on, 1,000 likes for this hero. Thank you, K Dildo. Nice name, by the way, man. Nice name, by the way. We got 981 likes. Crazy. Yesterday we hit yesterday we hit 1,900 likes. That's nuts. It's absolutely nuts for a bear market stream. Day before that, I think we had like 2,000. Nuts. Crazy. It's slowly bleeding. Yeah, slow bleed right now. Here we go. Eat my shorts. Made tiny profits on my baby shorts. Jordan, are we allowed to work at Burger King after talking so much shit about it the other day? That's why I have to work there. McDonald's and Wendy's are so good that they won't hire me. You missed my interview with TJ earlier. I didn't get the job. McDonald's, I already told the manager to fuck off, so I can't work there. Last summer when we started to bounce back up, I quit and I told him to fuck off. Burger King's my only option right now, man. If that doesn't work out, all we got is Taco Bell. You know, that's it. Taco Bell. Oh Lord. All right, guys. I'm gonna stay out here for a little bit longer, but at some point I gotta head out. But we'll stay out here for a little bit longer though. Burger King has good onion rings. Yeah, their onion rings are pretty good. I would say their fries are actually better than they used to be too. You know. So based. But Ben said Bitcoin was prime for June rally. Who in here has told their boss to fuck off before? Who has quit a job and told their boss to fuck off? I bet someone has. Excuse my language, but I gotta keep it real. Who has like quit a job and just been like, screw you, and left? Someone has. Chai working at Jack in the Crack. Jack in the Crack. Do a Georgia. All right, hold up. Ah, shit! I gotta stream today. What am I gonna talk about? I told everyone we're building a strong base. Shit, man! I told people the bottom is in for sure. I told people 100% the bottom's in. What am I supposed to tell them today? Shit. Christ. Let me spike my coffee a little bit today. Shit. All right, I'm about to hop on here. Let me do my fake smile again. Let me do my fake smile. I am George. We're all George. Guys, today, Bitcoin is fucking us to the downside. It looks like we're trying to build, we're trying to build another strong base here, okay? We're trying to build another strong base here at about 23,500. It looks like Bitcoin is looking to round out back to the upside here. It's looking very, very strong right now. You guys can see that, we are clearly rounding out. And this is going to be the bottom for Bitcoin, guys. I do think that 23,300 is the bottom for Bitcoin, 100%. I do not think that we go lower, all right? TechDev has this awesome fractal. If we want to go check out TechDev's fractal. TechDev has this fractal showing that we are going to go all the way back up to 300K. Let's actually go check out TechDev's fractal real quick. So his fractal's like this, right? Let's go check out TechDev's fractal. So TechDev has a fractal that shows Bitcoin going all the way up to 110K by September 2023. So I trust TechDev, and I do think this is going to play out just like this. TechDev has been right so many times in the past. And guys, not only that, but the Fear and Greed Index is clumped up on fear. You know what happens when the Fear and Greed Index is clumped up on fear. That means that the bottom is in for Bitcoin. So all that stuff combined, we are going to go up. Continue to DCA, continue to hodl. The bottom is in. All right, guys. Let's do some Q&A. Yes. I do think we're going to go back up. Yes. I'm done, man. I'm done. It's clumped up. It's a big clump. Super clumped up. All right, 23,326. Let me get rid of that stupid fractal, man. There we go. Pop. Right when you think the bottom is in, that's when we go to 22,500. True. All right, man. We sit here and wait. Oh, Lord. Alts aren't falling. Nothing goes straight down. And then you see this. Yeah, man, there's no been relief rally. Guys, I'm not calling for any relief rally. Right? The whole way down, it's like, relief rally's coming, and there hasn't been any relief rally. We've dropped, I wouldn't even call this a relief rally, right? I mean, this is a 40% rally. What's that, a rally France? We've dropped 66%. Once again, this number keeps popping up. Look how much Bitcoin's dropped from the highs. It's dropped 66.6% to the downside. You can't make this shit up, man. I don't know if that's a good sign or a bad sign. But Bitcoin's dropped 66.6% to the downside from the swing highs to its current level right now. You can't make this stuff up, man. You cannot make this stuff up. So, yeah, with no really relief rally, man. So, absolutely nuts. Absolutely nutburgers. Nutburgers. We have 20% more to go. You think so? By ETH. Oh, Lord. This is the beginning of the biggest alt season ever. I don't know about that, man. Imagine if you stayed in your link short. Oh, God. If I stayed in my link short, we'd be looking pretty right now. But that's okay. You got to pay yourself, man. You got to take profits. It's easy to say in hindsight that it can go lower, right? Hindsight is always easy to say. That's why I hate hindsight, man. I hate hindsight analysis. Hindsight analysis, obviously, you can look at anything and be like, oh, if I held this at this time, if I sold this at this time, that's easy to say in the moment, but at the time, it's not easy, right? I'd rather take the guaranteed profits than go back in hindsight and be like, oh, if I stayed in my chain link short, right? This is what it is. There's always another opportunity, right? You close a trade, there's always another opportunity. That's the way you got to look at it. And this is the end of alt season. Look at what they accomplish. The chat's getting super toxic, man. Look at the chat. It was actually, in the beginning of the stream, it was great, because I think we had everyone that normally watches in the beginning. Now I see all the toxic people coming in. I liked it, man. I want to see more toxic. I want to see more toxicity. I still don't see the same amount of toxicity that I've seen in the past. I'm waiting for, like, peak toxicity. That's the best. When people just get super on edge, everyone's salty. Like, everyone who's been watching me for a long time gets salty. I haven't really seen that yet, right? All my regular viewers aren't salty right now, right? Wayne's killing it, right? Bathwater's not salty. Mr. Hart's not salty. A lot of trolls in the chat today. We're not quite at that. We're not quite at peak trolling though. I still think last summer, crazy enough, I still think last summer was more trolly than the market now, which might mean we have lower to go. It's not toxic, it's realistic. No, it's okay to be bearish. But when people are coming in saying, have funny losing all your money, man, or, you're an idiot if you're holding right now. You're a freaking idiot, man. That's what I mean. It's okay to be bearish. I'm still bearish, too. It's realistic to be bearish, in my opinion. But there's a certain, there's a certain level to it, I got your trolling right here. The saltiness is what I'm looking for. The saltiness. I was salty about UST, but I'm over it. You are the salt to my pepper. Thank you, Drew. Thank you, Drew. I'm down almost 160 from all-time high. Hey, man. A lot of people are down, Love you, bro. What's up, Mazzy? Love you too, man. Troll indicator, 100% accurate. Facts. We're not quite at that level yet. Everyone's still pretty positive in the chat, for the most part. I would say about 90% are still
I would say about 90% is still relatively positive. Thank you, Keith. Thank you, Keith. ETH is actually holding up decently-ish. Nice. All right, guys. It's hard for me to get off because like the Bitcoin's at its lows, man. It's hard for me to get off. I feel like I shouldn't get off. I feel like I'm gonna miss that like big capitulation dump. What do you guys think? Should I get off or stay on? Let me know. Let me know in the chat. I feel almost irresponsible getting off. I feel almost irresponsible. Let me know. Should I stay on or get off? Let me know in the chat. Let me know in the chat. Crypto Lifer was showing me respect last night. Yeah, Crypto Lifer's a good guy, man. I know I troll a little bit, but guys, you gotta remember this. I troll everyone, okay? I troll everyone. I like Crypto Lifer. I watch his stream every now and then. He's from Boston, you know. We go at it sometimes, but at the end of the day, it's all healthy.
Love you, bro.
It's all healthy. We make each other better. We make each other better. I'll say that. You know. I like Lifer though. Do I agree with everything he? I don't necessarily agree with everything, right? But you don't have to agree with everything. Everyone does. That's why we're all different. That's why we're all human. You know what I'm saying? Stay on. We need your moral support. All right, I'll stay on. I'll stay on, guys. Do you guys care if I eat on stream again? Like, I'm getting starved. I'm getting pretty hungry here. You know? All day dump stream? I remember we did the 12-hour stream and nothing went down. And like, I don't know what I talked about for 12 hours. I don't even remember. You know? All right, I'm going to stay on. I'm not going. Go to your Burger King interview? No. I'm going to blow. TJ already told me I'm not welcome. I'm not welcome there. So unfortunately, it is what it is. Fortunately, it is what it is. So we got 1,048 likes. We absolutely killed it today with the likes, man. That's absolutely nuts.
All day dump stream.
All day dump stream. All right, I'll stay on for another 5 minutes, man. Give me 5 minutes. 5 minutes. I'll wait another 5 minutes to see if Bitcoin dumps because it's at the lows. It's at the lows here.
Trading on Crow now.
Cadena's trading on Crow? Interesting. All right, guys. If we want to look at meme patterns, let's see if this plays out. We got a falling wedge to the downside. Something tells me it's not going to play out, right? Because right now, patterns are kind of memes, to be honest. Let's see if it plays out, though. If it plays out, target's back up here to the upside, 24,400. Let's watch this. Am I confident on this playing out? No, I'm not. During bearish times, often bullish patterns break to the downside. Same thing on the upside, right? During bullish times, bearish patterns break to the upside too. So let's watch. Let's watch. I guess if you want a little bit of hopium, this is what we could see. So let's watch this. I'm not confident, but I'll say I'm not confident in this playing out. I will tell you this. That 12-hour stream was epic. It was, man. It was a lot of fun. It was a lot of fun. 10-year, 3.29% rising. Interesting. Excuse me, guys. I start hiccuping when I'm hungry. It's weird. Most people hiccup when they're full. I hiccup when I'm hungry. It's very odd. Very odd. I'm an odd person in general. I feel like. I don't know. I am. In some things. All right. So Ethereum, 1206. Bitcoin looking to dump. Let's see if we get that little dumpy dump. Let's see if we get it. Let's see. My next hodl buy getting close. Oh, we're inching closer, man. It's a slow bleed for Bitcoin, right? We're not seeing that big pop to the downside. It's a slow bleed to the downside right now. 23,180 at the moment. ETH 1205. And the S&P 3771. S&P is already down 3.4%.
3% today. That's a lot for a stock market. NASDAQ already down. In an hour, the NASDAQ is already down 4%. That's nuts, man. That is nuts. Doesn't sound like a lot, but for that market, that's a huge drop. NASDAQ breaking the lows. That is crazy, man. Anyone who's new to the stream, make sure you guys subscribe, by the way. We're here 2 times every day, Monday to Friday. Saturdays, sometimes morning streams, and Sundays, night streams. So we're here pretty much every single day. So make sure you guys subscribe if you're new, man. If there's anyone new. I don't know how many new people there are in crypto right now, but if anyone's new, we have a lot of fun here. Right now, we're pooping. Right? But, yeah. There it goes. Alright, Bitcoin breaking the meme wedge to the downside. That's why these patterns are memes, man. Breaking the meme wedge to the downside. Here we go. 23,048. We're getting awfully close to that 200 SMA, man. Look at how close we are now. It's crazy. Look at this. We are literally $600 away from the 200 SMA. $600 away. Absolutely nuts. Absolutely nuts, man. DXY pumping? Oh, I'm sure it is. DXY right at the previous highs. Man. Will Smith that like button. ETH dropping hard now. ETH down to 1193. I'm looking for ETH to come back down to 1100, man. All right. Let's go. I'm chasing Ethereum and ambush her in the bed. True. It's inevitable. Get the sock ready. Hey, the more sock calls I see, the more bullish I'll become. Okay? Right now, I'm not bullish yet. I ain't bullish. I'll let you know when I flip bullish, guys. It ain't right now. Oh, let me stretch. Yes. Oh, Lord. Don't leave. I can't leave now. Every time I try to leave, Bitcoin dumps more. Oh, I'm going, guys. Let's dump more. NASDAQ, 3.9 points. S&P, 3.5% down. DXY, smacking the highs as we speak. Craziness. There's all the socks. Tomorrow you're going to be bullish? Let's see. You going to go to work now? You going to go work? Nice. All day dump stream, said James. We'll find out at this rate. Juicy Crab Dippelganger said Cadena is trading on Crow now. All right, we'll take it. I don't know if it's going to affect the price right now, but hey, we'll take it, man. All right, we just saw 22K just flash for Bitcoin. 22K just flash for Bitcoin as we speak. Let's see. The Fed bought most of Bitcoin, causing the run. You are seeing them dump. They will use this to pass laws. Interesting. Where's my Burger King hat? I lost it. Oh, here it is. Java, can you bring me my Burger King hat? Come on, man.
Yeah, sure. I'll be right over. Hold on. I'm kind of stuck in my chair right now. Hold on. Let me try to squeak out. Here we go. I'm stuck. Jordan, I can't bring it to you. You gotta come get it. I'm stuck. Hold on.
It's okay, Job. I got it, man. I got it. We're good. All right, 333. Burger thing. Hold on. Let me just real quick. It's great, burger cooker. 23K for BTC, man. This is nuts. ETH 1192. Double trouble. Double freaking trouble. He needs Bob to deadlift Jabba off the seat. Deadlift Jabba off the seat. Goldfish said, what am I watching? Goldfish, you're here all the time. Don't play dumb, Goldfish. Jordan going in balls deep, you said? Balls deep. There it is. 22,951. Here we go. Look at how close we are to that 200 SMA, man. Man. Let's see, man. We're going to test it. We are going to go down and test it, man. Or at least it's going to get front run. One of the two. Let's see what happens here. We are freaking close to it. It's absolutely crazy, isn't it? Isn't it crazy? Absolutely crazy. Bitcoin is dumping hard right now. I'm checking my phone to make sure my orders are going through. Personally, man. Time to buy on stream? What do you think I'm looking down at right now? I'm rock hard for this market. Nice. It's coming. Oh, it's coming right now, man. It sucks. Let's see what happens here, guys. Just be careful with this because a lot of people are going to put leverage longs right here, man. You know? So, if you see something like it come back down to test it, right? A lot of people put leverage longs right at the 200 SMA, you know? You're going to have horse guy coming in right there, right?
Wow, I'm going 100x long, the 200 SMA. Everyone's been talking about that. I'm going 100x long. It's free money. It's friggin' free money. How could you not lose? Yeah, it's gonna hold. Yeah, the 200 SMA.
A lot of people are going to be putting dumb leverage longs right there, right? So don't be surprised, like, if it comes down here, it liquidates all those mother effers. It liquidates all those mother effers, causing a major wick down, and then it comes right back up. Do not be surprised if something like that happening, man. Because you're going to have a lot of dumb mother effers putting 100x longs right at the 200 SMA, where they're probably going to get liquidated in some way, you know? So, let's watch it. And Bitcoin is useless. Bathwater said, do it, pussy. Let's see. Don't worry for long term. I sub for this channel because of the laughs I get with Horse Guy. We'll see if he gets liquidated here. 22,765. Here we go, man. This is the day. This is the day we've been waiting for months. 200 SMA retest. Let's see what we get. 22,743. This ain't no joke right now. This ain't no freaking joke. 1,170. Here comes ETH to the downside. ETH dumping. Bitcoin dumping. Everything dumping right now. Everything dumping. 22,700 for Bitcoin. 22,600 for Bitcoin. Here we go. This is it, man.
Dump it.
Here it is. It's what we've been waiting for, guys. It's what we've been waiting for. Is it going to dump straight through? Or is it going to hold? That's the question right now. What's going to happen here, man? Jabba dumping? Let's see. FML said Soul Train. Yeah, I have a feeling we're going to see some crazy volatility when we go down to that level, man. It's either going to get front run, we're going to bounce, or it's going to go to 200 SMA. People are going to put leverage longs, they're going to get absolutely decimated. One of the two is going to happen. So, let's see. Glad you stayed? Very glad I stayed, man. Very glad, man. Alts are not dumping? Yeah. Let's see. Meet a White Castle dump. It will fake dump. Yeah. Running out of ammo. We're almost there. What happened to Elon Musk buy zone? that got destroyed, huh? The Elon Musk buy zone. Hold on, guys. I'm checking my phone because yes, I'm streaming, but I also have to make sure my orders go through too. You know, because I did say I was gonna buy here. You know, I'm sticking to my plan, as I said, man. Sticking to my plan. That's what we do here. We stick to our plans. All right? We stick to our freaking plans. We don't change our plans based off current price action. You know what I'm saying? There we go. All right. Make sure we're good to go here. There we go. Make sure that went through.
Go down.
All right. There it is. It go up or down? We'll find out. I probably have a better idea than you do. You know? So, all right, I probably have just as good an idea as you do. You know? So let's see what happens here. Have fun. I told you. Thank God for this super lemon haze. It's not dumping hard enough. Yeah, we're just chilling. Drunk Bear said, I wish I knew how to read so I can enjoy the chat. Interesting take. 20K on the way. 20K on the way. Holy moly. Jordan, now pump the market. Pump it. It's stuck to a refresh. 27K pump after the 200 SMA kiss. The little kiss. We're waiting for the kiss. We haven't quite seen the kiss yet. You know? So we're still waiting. Trying to make sure we're good to go on my end here, you know? This one. Okay, that one's good. That one's good. Alright. We're good for now, guys. We're good for now. We're good for now, man. Get that sock in the microwave. I will get the sock in the microwave when I tell you to get the sock in the microwave. You know what I mean? Know what I'm saying? Make sure I get some of this. Hello, what's going on, guys? What's going on? I'm still here. Don't worry. I'm still here. I'm just trying to make sure we're good to go here. Here we go.
Bro, with recession creeping, how low can it go?
Who knows, man? Who knows? Wayne said, I'm done buying, now chilling to wait. Now we chill and wait. Alright. We should be good to go, man. We should be good to freaking go. Not many left. 10:55. Okay. That's crazy, man. I hate looking at my my stuff, man. I hate looking at my stuff. Jordan changing his orders? No, man. I'm not changing my orders. Just making sure all that shit goes through, man, because you never know with some of this stuff, you know? There we go. Yeah, orders got filled. Bitcoin and ETH. Bitcoin and ETH, man. Skillful said he's checking his. Nice. He's actually watching NBA clips. I am hyped for the Celtics game tonight, though. Celtics and Warriors game 5. Let's freaking get busy, man. Let's get busy. I'm excited for game 5. This is a big game. Big game, obviously. Game 5s are huge because if it's 2-2, whoever wins game 5 has a great chance of winning the series, you know? Happy days, happy days. Pop said, man, this whole system is rigged. We've literally been lied to from birth. Remember mommy telling you to eat your cereal for breakfast? That was the first one. Eat your cereal for breakfast. Go Celtics. I buy 15,000 euro alts. Going to have to watch some George for some hopium tonight. Like, yeah. Someone needs to give hopium, man. Someone needs to give hopium, I guess. Bad luck when he predict wins? No, I don't think so. I don't think so. Maybe for the other team, yes. Guys, we're just patiently waiting. I mean, there's really not any support until Bitcoin comes and taps this 200 SMA. That's really what we're waiting for here on stream. We're so freaking close right now, where it's like, I mean, how much further does this have to go down? This has to go down another 1.5%. So we are sitting there. We said earlier this could happen today. Here we are. We're sitting here waiting. S&P still dropping, down 3.5 points. NASDAQ down 4.2% on the day. DXY breaking all time, not all time highs, but breaking its previous high again. Crazy stuff. Look at Tether dominance. People are just going to Tether right now. Look at total market cap, pooping below the 200 EMA. Look at Tether dominance, up 15% today. People are just going right. Look at this weekly chart. People are just going straight into Tether. Interesting day. Very, very interesting day, man. Very interesting day. They were going to 17K. We'll find out. We'll find out, that's for sure. All right, so far we're bouncing, getting a little bounce. Nothing crazy, though. We got wrecked. These were the greatest of dumps. This happened way faster than I was expecting. The bear market has a long way to go. We'll find out. $300 million was... It's going to be one of those days today, guys. It's going to be one of those days, you know? It's going to be one of those days. It's actually been... It's been in those weeks lately, man. Great buy for alts. Depends on what your definition of great buy is, you know? June dump is one for the record books. Yeah, man, I heard people say we're gonna get a June rally. If you guys know what I'm talking about. Yeah, but so much for the June rally, man. 29% to the downside so far in June. Pretty brutal. It's only 11 a.m. It's already been a day. It has been a day. It's been a freaking week. You could argue this would be a week for Bitcoin. Never mind a day. This daily candle is bigger than some weeks. Holy moly. We never been this oversold on Bitcoin ever. That's very true. But doesn't mean you can't have a little bounce and then go a little bit lower, right? RSIs can always reset. That's the issue with looking at RSI. Even though, you know, it's a good relative indicator on, you know, where you sort of are in the current trend, but yeah, man. I want ADA to dump more. You look scared. No, honestly, man. If I'm being honest, this is these are, like I said, these are exciting times, man. You gotta understand, I've been talking for 2.5 hours now, you know. So eventually my voice gets tired, and I lose my energy, you know. It's like last night, right? Last night the same thing. At a certain point, I lose my energy, and I get hungry, and I need my White Castle. If I'm being honest. All right, guys. I'm gonna call it. If I don't call it now, it's literally gonna dump again. I'm gonna be stuck here again. So I'm gonna get off. I'll see you guys tonight, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. All right, catch you guys later. like up the video before you go. Make sure you hear tonight. We can discuss what happened and what we can expect to happen from this point, man. It's all a guess. It's all a guess, man. Does anyone know? No. Just it is what it is. So, as always, guys, like, make sure you're paying it. Like, I normally would say don't pay attention to the charts, but I would pay attention to the charts today. Okay? Because you never know what can happen. You don't want to miss out on some like freaking crazy move to the downside where you hope you could have bought, but you didn't pay attention. Make sure you guys are paying attention to the charts today. That's all I'll say. I'll be paying close attention to the charts all day today. All right? Catch you guys at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Enjoy your day. Don't think about it too much. At the end of the day, you can't change what already happened. You can only look forward and do what you can do from there. All right? Catch you guys later. Adios, man. Peace out. Adios.